This is how you make a penicillin cocktail, featuring Anna, Dora, and Calvin, our special guest. To make a penicillin cocktail, you need whiskey, ginger, lemon, sugar, honey, water, ice, a cocktail shaker, a fine strainer, a grater, and a small range of cups, bowls, and stirrers. First, you grate the ginger into a pulp. Add the pulp to the fine strainer and squeeze out the juice with a spoon. You want to get 100 milliliters of juice. You can substitute this for store-bought juice, but fresh juice is better. Get half a cup of sugar and add it to the ginger juice. Stir to dissolve. Add a quarter cup of honey to a quarter cup of water to make a syrup. Add this to the ginger juice. Squeeze a lemon to get 100 milliliters of juice. Choose your whiskey to taste. When you've chosen your whiskey, start mixing. Pour out a shot of your whiskey. Add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoons of the ginger juice mixture. Add some ice.
Make sure it's closed.
And shake. When you're done shaking, get your cocktail strainer and pour out your cocktail. And you're done. You can also add some ice.
Oh, it's terrible. Oh, it's so horrible.
It's really sweet, isn't it?
I really like it. Tastes like
Ginger.
an orange.
It's a strong kick.
It's so gingery.
That's really good.
Finish up by making more cocktails. This recipe should be enough for about 4 servings. You can try it with different whiskies to find your favorite flavor. We hope you enjoyed how to make a penicillin cocktail. Until next time! This has been a random fun video, no Patreon support needed.